Hello everyone, today I want to share a quick unboxing of the Hermes Les Chiens Parisiens. This silk twilly features a variety of dog breeds. Mine is in the colorway 01, and I really like the contrast of the caramel accents against the dark navy background with the white contours. The flip side continues with 3 adorable dachshunds. There are a few other colorways available, but I am limiting myself to purchasing only one, partially because of the recent price increase at the beginning of the year. There is also a beaded version of the twilly, but I am not a fan of the fringe or the $1,000 price tag. I also tried out the new Oud Alezan EDP from the Hermessence range. This 2024 release is exactly what I expected, and I was immediately reminded of the Malone Velvet Rose and Oud Cologne Intense. Even though rose with oud is not a new fragrance combination, Oud Alezan dries down to a very wearable floral oud that lasts most of the day on my skin. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you for watching.